Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview BioGuard SaltScapes pH Reducer. What is BioGuard SaltScapes pH Reducer? SaltScapes pH Reducer helps to lower pH and total alkalinity levels in saltwater pools. As your chlorine generator converts salt into chlorine, it also naturally raises your pool's pH level. Ensuring your pH is between 7.2 to 7.6 will protect your pool surface and equipment. Product benefits: corrects high pH to protect surfaces and equipment. Usage directions: broadcast product into the deep end while the pool is not in use and the pump is running. Allow pool to circulate for 2 hours, then retest pH. Add more product if needed. Brush any undissolved clumps off the surface of the pool to avoid bleaching. Never add more than 1.5 pounds per 10,000 gallons at one time. Re-entry can occur when pH has reached the ideal 7.2 to 7.6 range. Be sure to check the instructions and the dosing chart before using. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.